How to put bullet points side by side in Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put bullet points side by side in Word. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Words app on your laptop. And here, once you are inside the Word, simply select the project or you can simply create a new one. And here, to place bullet points side by side in the Microsoft Word like in two columns, you can start by inserting a table with two columns. Now enter your text into each column, and once that's done, simply highlight the content in both cells, and after that simply go to the Home tab and then click on the Bullets button and apply bullet points. And after that you can choose the numbered list if you prefer, and once you're done with that, you can simply click on the outer edge of the table to select it, and then go to the borders and setting and set the border to none to remove the table outline. And that's it. Now you have bullet points added side by side in Word. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.